First thing you want to do is get a good idea where the position of these mirrors are. You can adjust them accordingly. I just want them both to match. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look through the top and take a look at this arm. And I think my new mirrors, I'm going to basically have it come out of here and go over the top of this screw right here. And that way I can set the angle that I want for here and match it on the other side. Right now they're a bit off from the factory. This one is pretty much over that screw. This one here you can see is kind of in front of the screw. So I just like them to look symmetrical, so I'm going to basically put these on the new ones so that this arm here is again centered directly over here. And then I can adjust the head as needed. Okay, first things first, let's go ahead and get this one off right here. I have a special wrench I'm going to use for this because I don't need any marring. Even for the new ones, I'm going to use, basically it's a like a brake line wrench. I'll show you what I mean. Basically looks like this here. That way you can get more of a grip on this. Just kind of goes around here, slips over. So let me go ahead and use two hands and loosen this up and get this mirror off. That wrench makes it nice. You could use channel locks or something like that on here, but if it slips, you're going to hit something. And I also don't like taking the chance of rounding these over. So I bought a set of those from Harbor Freight Tools a long time ago, a metric and a standard set. And they really come in handy. So this is loose here. And now we just kind of unscrew the mirror. So let me go ahead and get this off. Because this is aluminum, the threads are nice and deep. They're semi-fine. I mean, it's a great little mirror. I just wanted something with a bit more style. It comes with adapters for different bikes. I think this is going to match up perfectly. Just so you know, I mean, if you take a look at it and you go, oh, that's less thread, we just need to back this nut off here. I would recommend exposing as much thread as you can. Once they get this into a position that's right around the area I'm going to need it, then you bring this down to go ahead and tighten it up. I'm going to test fit this real quick, and then I'm going to use, let's see here, heavy strength, what do you call it, Loctite on here. I don't know about you guys, but it's so friggin' annoying when these all of a sudden loosen up, or if you bump it and it loosens up or whatever. This little jam nut here does a good job, but I'm just going to back it up with some thread locker on here. So let's go ahead and just test fit this and see how it looks. Okay, I started that in. I'm lucky. This is actually going to fit perfectly. I don't need to use an adapter. I didn't screw it all the way down. Again, this is just to have a look and see how it's going to look. Again, it's going to be right over this screw here, and it's going to give me, I don't know, just a little bit more style on the mirrors and stuff. These weren't that bad. These are pretty good quality for, I think I ended up paying about $25 for them. I'll find out where I got them from, and I'll put the link in the video so you guys can have a look if you like them. Like I said, some of the guys will flip it this way. I just wanted them out as much as possible. So that compared to this, again, the original mirrors weren't bad. I'm going to keep them, but I just wanted something a bit, I don't know, a bit more refined. I think it was the black on here that I didn't like. It kind of looked, I don't know. It looks fine. I just like the new mirrors. Let me go ahead and get some Loctite on there and get this one, get this jam nut tightened up, and I'll show you how that comes out. Again, you can use whatever you want. I think I'm going to use the high strength. The neat thing about these is it's kind of hard once you go to take it off. However, it will come off. I mean, you can actually break the seal on this, and of course, I'm just going to put one thin line down one side, just to help with the vibrations and stuff. So I know it's a little smaller, but I do like the look a lot better. I don't know, it's cleaner. It doesn't have that big plastic black trim ring around the mirror. Like I said, I will keep these, but I think this is going to be pretty nice. It fits right in the hole. The nut's a little smaller, a little bit more compact. I like it a lot. So let me go ahead and get the other one off. Alright, so this black is basically rubber, and of course the UVs are going to have a good time beating the living daylights out of this. Eventually it's going to shrink out no matter how much, something like Armor All, some sort of preservative I put on. Eventually it's going to dry up. like I said, I will keep these, but these new mirrors are definitely going to be a nice little add-on to the bike. Take your time with this, guys. Again, this is aluminum here, and just make sure you have it lined up perfectly so that it bites. It's so easy to accidentally cross-thread this thing, and then, I mean, you can probably get it in, cross-thread it and tighten it up, but if you ever need to replace them or something like that, it's going to be a real mess. So just take your time with it is all. Again, it's lined up right over this bottom screw here. Now just go ahead and tighten up the jam nut, then I can adjust the mirrors, and that's it. I mean, it'll only take you about 5 minutes, guys, as long as you have all the right tools and you just take your time. So those are the new mirrors. Of course, they got all kinds of stuff out there, skulls, flames, all this, little thin ones if you want. I just wanted something with a little bit more style, so I kind of went with these here. Pretty happy with them. Yeah, don't laugh, that's right. That's a little bitty compass I put on there. It glows, it's liquid filled, it's really accurate. It's just nice in case someone says, hey, make a right turn heading north on blah 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 street. I don't know where I'm at, north, south, east, or west, that kind of comes in handy. And it's only on there with a piece of two-way tape. So yes, that is something I put on there. Anyway, that is it for the mirrors, guys. Everything takes me a while since only half my body is working right now. So you know what to do. Like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for future content. I will go ahead and get this on YouTube just as quickly as I can.